Nature is always around us. Trees, sky, air, sunlight. Today, Rahul and Ananya talk slowly about the beauty of nature. Their conversation is calm and clear. Through their words, we learn English, step by step, slowly. Hello, Ananya. This place feels peaceful.
Hello, Rahul. Yes, very peaceful.
The air feels fresh.
I like breathing here. It feels clean and light.
Nature welcomes us quietly.
Yes, no noise, no hurry. Look at these trees.
They are tall and strong.
They stand silently, but give us shade.
Trees teach patience.
They grow slowly, day by day.
They do not rush.
Nature never rushes, yet everything happens.
The sunlight looks soft today.
Yes, it feels warm, but gentle.
The sky is wide.
It makes me feel free.
When I look at the sky, my worries feel small.
The sky reminds us, there is always space to breathe. Can you hear the leaves?
Yes, they are moving slowly.
The wind touches everything, but hurts nothing.
That is beautiful.
Nature speaks softly, not loudly.
We understand nature when we slow down. Look at these flowers.
They are colorful and delicate.
Each flower is different.
Yet all are beautiful.
Nature accepts differences.
Yes, no comparison, only beauty.
Flowers bloom quietly, without asking for attention.
I can hear birds.
Their sounds feel happy.
Birds sing freely.
They remind us to enjoy the moment.
Nature never worries about tomorrow.
It lives in the present. How does nature make you feel?
Calm, safe, alive.
Nature heals silently.
Yes, when I feel sad, nature listens.
It does not judge.
It just exists and supports. Nature teaches many lessons.
Like what?
Patience, balance, acceptance.
And growth. Slow but steady.
Just like learning English.
Yes, slow learning lasts longer. The day is changing.
Yes, evening is coming.
Nature changes, but stays beautiful.
Every moment has beauty.
We just need to notice.
I feel grateful.
Me too.
For trees, for air, for silence.
And for moments like this.
Learning English feels easy when words are calm.
Just like nature, let us sit here for a while.
Yes, let us sit quietly.
I like this silence.
This silence is not empty, it feels full.
Full of peace.
And full of calm thoughts. When I breathe here, my chest feels light.
Nature teaches us how to breathe slowly.
Slow breath, slow mind.
Fast life slows down when we are in nature.
Yes, I feel grounded.
Nature is big.
And we are small.
Does that make you feel afraid?
No, it makes me feel safe.
Because we are part of it.
Yes, not separate. We will go back soon.
Yes, but nature will stay with us.
Inside our thoughts.
Inside our breathing.
And inside our calm words.
Just like this conversation. Nature does not hurry. Nature does not shout. It teaches us to live slowly, to speak softly, and to learn English with peace and patience.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and exciting in English. Remember, practice every day, speak confidently, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more lessons, and share this video with someone who's learning English too. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care and end.